I chose welding because it was a very good trade I felt like to learn. It was very interesting to me. I've learned for safety, you always are required to have steel-toe boots, jeans, a welding jacket, safety glasses, gloves, helmet. We did a lot of torch cutting, stick welding, torch welding. And grinding is very important while welding, so you always want a clean surface before you do weld. Sometimes you'd like to cool your weld. I've learned a lot. Day to day, we come in, we get dressed, and then we normally go for a hands-on day in the shop. There is always internship opportunities, like right now, currently I'm interning for a couple of days a week, and then that could lead into a job there, possibly after when I get out of high school. It's definitely jump-started my career by giving me a little bit of experience in every field. Jumpstart your future with welding.